So, dear students, today we all are here to start the chapter that is symmetry. Symmetry is a topic which we have already studied in class 6 as well. And I hope you all must be remembering still the class 6 symmetry. But before I start symmetry chapter, I want to tell you symmetry is a topic which is related to your daily life. And symmetry is a topic which is used all around in the shapes. ठीक है, अगर हम बात करें हमारे घर में ही, तो हम अपने घर से लेकर के अगर हम आर्किटेक्ट के वर्ल्ड के बारे में बात करें, तो symmetry is a topic which we know in all the fields. Okay, so today let us know about the topic symmetry through a video. So let me show this video to you. And students, do one thing, please keep on mute. If you feel that you have to ask a question, then I'll give you turn to ask your questions in between the video also.
Jim has a pet cat who is very naughty. Now one day, Jim went out to play and his spectacles were kept on the table. Now this cat is very naughty. So the cat started jumping all over the room and by mistake, it broke the glasses. Now, when Jim came back, he was very angry because he couldn't find the other half of the spectacles. So he got angry with the cat and said, "Where is the other half of the glass, naughty cat?" Well, at that time, he noticed something. He saw his reflection in the mirror. And at the same time, he also saw reflection of the spectacles. It looked like the other half of the spectacles is inside the mirror, isn't it? Don't you think if you join these two parts, they will become one single spectacle? Well, he tried that. So, he tried joining them. And what did he see? Well, he saw that both of them together complete the spectacles. So, why was that possible? Because the other half of the spectacles was exactly a mirror image of this half, isn't it? So, is spectacles a very unique object? Well, yes, there are certain objects which show this particular property. That is, one half of them is exactly mirror image of another, and we call such objects as symmetric objects. So in the case of mirror, what do we see? Well, if I move this particular part and place a mirror here, then I will get exactly this image. And if I move this particular part and place a mirror here, then I will get exactly this particular image, because both of them are mirror images of each other. So along this particular line, we see that there are two equal halves of the object and both are mirror images of each other. And we call such objects symmetric objects. So, what are symmetric objects? When an object exhibits a property where two parts of the object are mirror images of each other, such an object is called a symmetric object. So in this case, we have this particular spectacle which is a symmetric object because one half of the spectacle is a mirror image of another. So what do we see? Well, one half mirror image of another. So both of these are mirror halves, isn't it? This is a mirror half and this is a mirror half. So this is a mirror half of this and this is a mirror half of this. So this is how symmetric objects are. In fact, we call this type of symmetry a special kind of symmetry called reflection symmetry, because in this case both the halves are mirror images of each other. That is, one half is a reflection of the other. That's why reflection symmetry. And this particular line which divides the object into two equal halves or two mirror halves is called the line of symmetry. So as you can see, once you draw this line, or if you break the spectacles along this line, then you will get two mirror halves. If you take one part and place in front of mirror, you will get the image of the other side. And so this particular line is the line of symmetry, because along this line it shows symmetry. That is, on this side you have a mirror image, and on this side too you have a mirror image. And that is why when we talk about reflection symmetry, it is also called line symmetry, because this line defines the reflection symmetry, isn't it?
Okay, so now remember, students, as you have just seen about line symmetry and reflection symmetry, both are same. Always remember this part, that reflection symmetry and line symmetry both are same. And the second part, the symmetry line, which you can see exactly in between both the specs, both the spectacle parts, you can see the line which is known as line of symmetry. This line of symmetry, in some shapes it becomes a horizontal line, in some shapes it becomes a vertical line, and also in some shapes you will find this line as a diagonal line. So remember, this line of symmetry can be horizontal, can be vertical, and also can be diagonal also. Okay, and another part which I said this, that this property of symmetry is not available in all the figures. Some figures show this symmetry and some figures does not show this property of symmetry. For example, scalene triangle. आपको याद होगा क्लास 6 में मैंने पढ़ाया था. Some figures are showing this symmetry are called symmetric objects, but some figures does not show this property. Those figures are known as non-symmetric objects. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं एक नॉर्मल फिगर के बारे में बात करूं जिसमें सिमेट्री होती है, तो ऐसे फिगर को आप बोल सकते हो सिमेट्रिक ऑब्जेक्ट्स, और ऐसे फिगर्स जिनमें ये सिमेट्री नहीं होती है, यू कैन कॉल इट दोस फिगर्स आर एसिमेट्रिक ऑब्जेक्ट और नॉन सिमेट्रिक ऑब्जेक्ट्स. एंड आई कैन गिव यू सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इट. सम एग्जांपल्स में आप ले सकते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल, इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल हैज लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. बट अगर मैं एग्जांपल बोलूं स्केलेन ट्राइंगल, so scalene triangle does not have line of symmetry. So there are two examples which just now I told you. There can be many more examples which does not show you the line of symmetry.
So it is reflection symmetry or line symmetry. Now even these letters show symmetry. So can you tell me, are these symmetric letters? Well, if I draw a line like this, I get two mirror halves, isn't it? What about this? Well, even here, if I draw a line like this, so I get two mirror halves. What about this? Well, if I draw a line like this, I get two mirror halves. And here, again, if I draw a line like this, I get two mirror halves. So even these letters show reflection symmetry, isn't it? So along these lines, they show reflection symmetry. Now
just like the examples you can see on the board, where the screen is just stopped right now, you can see when we were talking about the specs, okay, the parts of spectacles, you can see here the line was vertical. ठीक है, जब आपने स्पेक्ट्स लिए थे तो उस समय जो पार्ट्स आपने बात की, उन मिरर हाफ्स के बीच में जो लाइन ड्रॉ की गई थी, जिसको आप लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री बोलते हो, दैट लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री वाज वर्टिकल इन दैट केस. बट अभी जब हम अल्फाबेट्स की बात कर रहे हैं, तो अल्फाबेट्स में आप देख रहे हो कुछ ऐसे अल्फाबेट्स अभी दिखाए गए, लाइक बी, लाइक सी, लाइक डी, लाइक ई एज वेल. उन सभी में हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री थी. द सेम वे अगर मैं बात करूं अल्फाबेट ए की, तो उसमें लाइन हॉरिजॉन्टल नहीं बेटा, वर्टिकल आएगी. इट मींस अगर हम बात करें लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री की, तो मैंने आपको जस्ट कुछ देर पहले बोला कि लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री के लिए जरूरी नहीं है कि आपके पास जो लाइन हो वो वर्टिकल ही होनी चाहिए. इट कैन बी वर्टिकल, इट कैन बी हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड ऑल्सो इट कैन बी डायगोनल एज वेल. ठीक है, डिपेंड करता है कि आपको कौन सा फिगर मिला है सामने. ठीक है, अगर हम ए अल्फाबेट ड्रॉ करते हैं तो लाइन बन जाती है वर्टिकल. वहीं अगर आप अल्फाबेट बी ड्रॉ करते हो तो लाइन बन जाती है आपकी हॉरिजॉन्टल. ठीक है, सेम वे अगर हम बात करें सर्कल की तो वहां पर हमारे पास हॉरिजॉन्टल वर्टिकल के साथ साथ हमारे पास डायगोनल सिमेट्री भी आ जाती है. तो आप ये याद रखिएगा कि लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री जो है वो तीनों में से कोई भी लाइन हो सकती है, हॉरिजॉन्टल, वर्टिकल और डायगोनल.
You must have noticed that in the case of spectacles, the line of symmetry was vertical. But in the case of letter C, the line of symmetry was horizontal. So that's because the line of symmetry can be vertical or horizontal. So in this case, it's vertical line of symmetry, and in this case, it's horizontal line of symmetry. And we are surrounded by symmetrical objects. For example, this pair of scissors is symmetric. It's showing reflection symmetry. So along a particular line, it will exactly have two halves which are mirror images of each other. Even in the case of this leaf, there will be one line which can divide this into two halves which are mirror images of each other. So these lines are the lines of symmetry in this case. So we have horizontal line of symmetry here and vertical line of symmetry here. Now this is Taj Mahal and this is a door. Now are these symmetric objects? Well, they are. If I draw a line of symmetry like this, then it divides the Taj Mahal into two mirror halves. And even here along this particular line, we have two mirror halves. So these are also showing reflection symmetry. So can you tell me, are these symmetric? What do you think? Well, the answer is yes, they are showing reflection symmetry. Well, along a particular line, that is along a line somewhere here and here, they will show reflection symmetry. So this line and this line are lines of symmetry. So you see, if you draw this line, then it divides this butterfly into two halves which are mirror images of each other. And even here, this line divides this particular logo into two halves which are mirror images of each other, isn't it? Now, not all objects around us are symmetric. For example, this piece of rock and even our palm, they are not symmetric because from whichever position we draw a line, we will never get two halves which are mirror images of each other. So even here, from whichever angle I draw a line, I will never get two halves which are mirror images of each other. So these are asymmetric objects. So there are some objects which are symmetric, that is, along one particular line, they will be divided into two halves which are mirror images of each other. And then there are many objects which are asymmetric, that is.
Okay, so I hope you all have understood this one, that the objects are of two types. Either they can be a symmetric object or maybe they can be a asymmetric object. Asymmetric, in other language, you can also call it non-symmetric objects. Remember, asymmetric objects will be treated means there are some objects जो कि symmetry show नहीं करते हैं बेटा. ठीक है, symmetry means along a particular line, जब आप उसको divide करते हो, then you should get a mirror images of one part to another one. ठीक है. सो ये हर शेप में ऐसा नहीं होता है. देयर आर सम शेप विच आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग यू द सिमेट्री, बट देयर आर सम शेप्स विच आर नॉट रिप्रेजेंटिंग द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सिमेट्री. सो रिमेंबर, objects are identified in two categories. One category is of symmetric object, another category will be of non-symmetric objects. Non-symmetric means asymmetric as well. Okay.